There's no quicker or more simple way to change your salary packaging deductions than through the Smart website. First, log into your Smart account using your email address registered with Smart. Then, locate the salary packaging benefit you'd like to change from your account dashboard and click on View Details. This will show you details like the amount of cap left to claim, which is the maximum amount you have remaining in your annual salary packaging limit, along with any claims scheduled for payment, which is the total amount of any forecasted payments. In order to make a change, click on Change Your Deductions on the left-hand menu. From there, you'll be able to increase or decrease your deduction amount, set a date in the current FBT year or the next for the changes to begin, and choose how many pay cycles you'd like the change to occur over. Once you've made your changes, click Submit and we'll action your request in no time.